Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will see that how to find out circumference and area of a circle using Python program. So let's get started. At first line you can see that statement import math, which includes math library inside the program. In the second line, value of radius is taken from user, which is referred by radius variable. The third line, expression for circumference is written, which is 2 pi. Instead of pi, in Python it is written math.pi, that will return, or you can say that is the value of pi and into radius. And expression for area is written at line number 4, which is referred by area variable. At line number 5, value of circumference is printed using print function, and at line number 5 value of area is printed using print function. So this was program about how to find out circumference and area of a circle using Python program.